Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of digital magic, where you can put your own face on your favorite celebrity. I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of seamless blending your face with theirs, creating a jaw-dropping transformation that will leave your friends in awe. If you're ready to take your selfie game to the next level and unleash your inner celebrity, stick around. Let's make some digital dreams come true together. Ready? Let's dive in. The tool that we'll be using today to swap our face with our favorite celebrity is called FaceSwap.ai. It's an amazing and powerful tool that you can use to swap faces with real effects. To get started with this tool, on Add Photo, add the image that you'd like to swap with your favorite celebrity. And then you can pick any of the images. Let's say we want to choose this image right here. And then here we can add the image of favorite celebrity. This instance, we're going to use Taylor Swift as our example. And then click on Confirm. And now let us swap our image with Taylor Swift's image. To do that, click on Swap Face Now. FaceSwap.ai just swapped our AI model's image with Taylor Swift's image to give us this image. Let us preview the image. It looks really stunning. To download it, click on download right here to download the image. And the image will be saved in our computer. So let us swap our AI model with a different image. Let's choose this image right here. And we can also click on confirm. We can also change Taylor's face to this one. Let us try to swap Taylor's face with our AI image right here. Now to do that, click on swap face now. FaceSwap.ai just swapped our AI image's face with Taylor Swift's face, and this is the swapped image. Let us preview it. Look at that. This is amazing. To download it, just click on download right here. The image will be saved in your computer. Now you can choose to upload a different image. Now for the image, you can choose to upload your image. Let us try swapping a different celebrity with a different AI image of our influencer. So here we can pick a different image. Let us choose this image right here and click on confirm. And then here we can pick a different image, a different celebrity image. So you want to choose Ariana and click on open. And now to begin the process of swapping our AI image's face with Ariana Grande's face, click on swap face now. Our face swap was a success. Let's preview the image. It looks amazing. I love it. To download the image, click on download right here. This is incredible. Let's try a different image. We are going to choose this image of our AI influencer and swap it with Alex. Now to start the face swap, I'm going to click on swap face now. And FaceSwap.ai will begin the process of swapping our faces. Our face swap was a success. Here's our image. This is incredible. Let us try a different image. Let us choose our previous image and click on confirm and choose a different celebrity. For example, we can use Chantel and click on confirm and then click on swap face now. Let's preview the image. I love it. It's incredible. To download it, click on download right here. Let's change the celebrity image. Let's choose this image of Kendall. Then click on swap face now. Our face swap was a success. We used our AI image's face to swap with Kendall Jenner, and it swapped successfully. Let us preview our image. This is amazing. To download this image, click on download right here, and the image will be saved on our computer. Now let us try and swap with one last celebrity image. We can use Margot Robbie as our celebrity. To do that, click on swap face now, and FaceSwap.ai will begin the process of swapping our AI image's face with Margot Robbie's face. Our face swap was a success. Let us preview the image. Wow, that's incredible. It looks amazing. I'll download this image, click on download right here, and the image will be saved on our computer. If you like to swap your own face with your favorite celebrity, you can use this AI tool called FaceSwapper.ai. The link will be in the description. And that's a wrap on today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to add your own face to your favorite celebrity. If you found this tutorial helpful or downright entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember, The power of creativity is in your hands. So go ahead, unleash your imagination, and let your inner superstar shine. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating, dreaming, and being fabulous. Goodbye.